Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the dual outlet water valve on your refrigerator. It's a pretty easy job. Only need a few tools: 1/4-inch nut driver, a 5/16 nut driver, a utility knife, and a 1/2-inch wrench. Let me show you how it's done. Before we begin this repair, the first thing we need to do is disconnect the power supply to the refrigerator. Now that we've disconnected power to the refrigerator, the next thing we need to do is turn off the water supply and then pull the refrigerator forward so that we can access the back panel, which is where the water valve is located, right in this corner. Now there are 6 1/4-inch hex head screws that hold the back panel to the refrigerator. We need to remove all of those. Remove the back panel by lifting up on it. Set that aside. Next, we'll remove the inlet water connection, a 1/2-inch wrench. You may get a little water on the floor here, but it won't be too much. Loosen the nut off, pull the tubing out of the valve. Take our 5/16 nut driver, remove the mounting screw, lift the valve out, pull it out where we can disconnect the wire harness. These are 2 different size terminals on here, so you can't mix up this harness. To disconnect the 2 water supplies on the bottom, simply press in on the collar, pull out on the tubing. Again, you'll get a little bit of water. Now, before we install the new water valve, we'll want to trim about a 1/2 inch off of each of these 2 water lines, just with an X-Acto knife. Sure you have a nice square cut. Take the new water valve, keeping in mind how it's going to sit into the refrigerator. Locate the proper water line. Just press it firmly into the opening until it bottoms out. Reconnect the wire harness. Install the 5/16 head screw. Remove the protective cover from the water inlet. Press the tube firmly into place until it bottoms out. And start the brass nut by hand. Make sure that we don't cross thread it. And we'll tighten with the 1/2-inch wrench. Now at this point, before we put the back on the refrigerator, we'll want to turn on our water supply, plug the refrigerator back in, and try dispensing some water just to make sure that we have no leaks. Once you've confirmed that there are no leaks, we're ready to put the back cover on. Install the 6 1/4-inch hex head screws. Hold the back panel in place. Make sure the water lines aren't kinked. And we're ready to push the refrigerator back into place. And your repair is complete. That's just how easy it is to put a double outlet water valve in your refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your repair.